Today I'd like to talk about e-learning, in particular its usage in the health and safety area of the manufacturing sector. Let me introduce Mark to you. Mark is a health and safety manager working for one of the leading manufacturing companies specializing in production of car components. Mark is based in Swindon, in England, in one of the 6 factories. The other locations are spread across Europe, in Spain, Germany, and Poland. There are also 2 production plants in Asia, one in China and one in Japan. Altogether, there are employed over 3,500 employees worldwide. The burning problem of the Health and Safety Department is a very high number of incidents occurring in production across all factories. That's unacceptable, says Mark's boss, and asked him to provide training to all 6 plants with a goal to eliminate or at least to reduce the number of incidents and human error to a minimum. Mark's life is not easy as they have over 2,700 staff in the production. 95% of them, outside of the UK, don't speak English and are of diverse cultural mindset. Let's hear him out.
It's a really challenging job for me as my current e-learning tool is not efficient at all. For my team doesn't provide the right features of customization and management options. Furthermore, the trainings have always been perceived as compulsory, and their content is quickly forgotten.
Already for a while, Mark has been looking around for a new solution. However, all available e-learning systems that fulfilled his expectations were expensive. Tools from the lower price range didn't provide him the value and efficiency he expected to. Together with his boss, they were trying to convince the CFO for budget approval. Unfortunately, every time in vain. In the meantime, the number of accidents was constantly increasing, and the company was losing its reputation and customers. The management was angry, and Mark was frustrated all day that his job made no sense. One sunny day, Mark came across a solution that did not exceed his department's budget and provided him with all the functionalities he needed. The e-learning department of TTMS UK, as part of the POC, efficiently adapted its tool to the needs of the Health and Safety Department. Seeing such a quality tool and an attractive price, the purchase decision was made immediately. The implementation took place within 3 weeks. With the help of the intuitive functionalities of the upgraded TTMS e-learning system, Mark quickly and efficiently conducted training cycles. These could be provided in 6 languages and adjusted for cultural differences. Also, from a technical perspective, the new training sessions were accessible both from personal computers and mobile devices. They did not require a long-term training session as before. Within 4 weeks, the entire 2,700 production staff underwent training. Mark and his health and safety team measured the training's effectiveness and acceptability. The results were very high. Since the training implementation, the problem of accidents and human errors in production has disappeared. 3 months after the Health and Safety project, another department, Human Resources, became interested in the TTMS e-learning platform due to the high quality of trainings and positive feedback among employees. The first area for optimization is ineffective onboarding. Further topics are planned to follow. ABC Manufacturing plans to exploit the extensive potential of the functionality, flexibility and scalability of the TTMS UK e-learning tool. And TTMS e-learning developers are here to help.